Okay, the next up we have our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week. And this one's for those Tailwind lovers out there. Do you use Tailwind yet? I know everyone talks about it. There's a lot of cool things out there that use Tailwind. A lot of lovers, a lot of haters. It's one of those polar ones for sure.
Yeah, I don't use it much. I don't do a lot of front end, to be honest. I'm mostly, back end API guy. So this stuff like this is awesome.
Yeah, so this is kind of cool because if you look at it, it's got a bunch of functions that make it easier working with Tailwind in colors, basically. So cool thing is you can take a hex color and allow you to convert it to like your Tailwind conversion. So it'll translate it to the closest Tailwind CSS class, which is pretty cool. It does have a color picker integration too, so you can use a built-in color picker, select those colors and those Tailwind classes that you need to put in your code. And if you have a color palette, you can basically use a list of favorite colors for quick and easy reference and reuse when you're inside the site. And then of course you can copy to Clipboard real easy with just a click of the button. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little add-in. Again, VSCode, one great thing about it is you don't have to have a crazy big, expansive VSCode extension for it to be useful. And so it's really neat. So cool little extension, but sometimes that's all you need, right? Just a little extension to make your life a little easier, be a little more efficient, make you a better developer. So Tailwind it's a pretty cool tool. And now I'm like, we need one like these for Quasar, because I like Quasar's color palette and everything. So it'd be nice to have one for that as well. And I'm sure there's a bunch of other tools out there that would, have similar ideas. So I wonder if we just fork it and change the color structure, and away we go. Be pretty cool. But
Sweet.
Yep. So nice little tool for you there.
That was our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.